What's up, guys? This is James with Morningstar Screen Printing, and today we are going to talk about what makes a high quality t-shirt. What makes a high quality t-shirt? I would first ask that person the question, what makes a high quality t-shirt for them? So the first things that come to mind when I think about that is, how does it fit? Does it have side seams? Does it have a tubular construction? How does that t-shirt fit on your body, and how do you like that? I would consider that to be a defining factor in what I felt like was a quality t-shirt. So for instance, right here, I wanna say this is a N6210. Well, don't quote me on that, but it is a 60/40 next level. So this shirt here, is a blended shirt. It's sort of like what may be known as a 50/50 style shirt, which also has side seams. So you can see these side seams coming down the side of the shirt. What that does is it maintains the shape of the shirt, which sort of can be equated to a slimmer fit. So if you like shirts that are a little bit more slim, you don't need that extra room, then a side seam shirt may be a shirt attribute that you would consider to be high quality. In addition, this is a blended shirt, so it has a combination of cotton and polyester fibers, and that tends to have a smoother quality texture to the shirt, and some people like that. It's a little bit more breathable, and that would be another thing that you may want to consider when looking for a high quality shirt. The next thing would be, how is the cotton or the material spun? So in a lot of cases, you'll have a ring-spun cotton, and the process of that is that when they go to make the cotton, they clean out the imperfections or the impurities that get caught in the actual cotton with a comb, and then those fibers get spun down nice and tight, and it creates a nice, clean weave that is soft. So sometimes you'll have brands like Gildan or that don't have a ring-spun combed cotton, and they tend to have a coarser feel to the shirt. And it's not necessarily, in my opinion, not a winning sort of factor in making a high quality shirt, but it's sort of just a different aesthetic. Those shirts that are coarser cotton tend to feel a little bit sturdier. They tend to have a tubular construction. I don't think we have any of those out here. However, they tend to be a little bit more heavyweight, so it tends to be like a more of a vintage type of feel. So that's something to consider too when you're looking for what makes a high quality shirt for you. So we talked about some blended 60/40 polyester cotton shirts as sort of a potential attribute that may be a nice high quality shirt for you. A shirt that I really enjoy is this Comfort Colors brand. I'm not sure the exact style number, but we'll put that on the screen for you guys so you guys can check it out. This is the long sleeve version. You can see here, that is the 100% ring spun cotton. And this is also a heavier weight and a garment dyed process. So this automatically sort of has a vintage-like looking aesthetic. You can see here with this, I want to say this may be paprika or salmon, maybe a chili. And it kind of has this faded look, which is actually really popular right now. Same with this sort of sky type of color. But it comes in a variety of different colors, but it's a heavier weight construction. It just goes through a sort of post-dye process, and it kind of gives it that nice faded look. And actually, that's probably like one of my most favorite shirts. So let's see what else we got here. Lots of Next Level. Next Level is a great brand to look out for. Let's see over here. So here we have a 100% ring spun cotton long sleeve from Next Level. We'll go ahead and run the style number on the screen there. So this is 100% cotton. This is also ring spun. It also has a side seam construction, so it's a slimmer fit. One thing that's different about the Comfort Colors line, for the most part, are all tubular construction. So no side seams. So nice and tubular. I kind of prefer this style myself. It's a little bit more boxy, I guess, and it's sort of just like a vintage sort of fit. Kind of like a 90s hip hop era shirt. Highly recommended though. Super soft. You won't be disappointed if you like it soft and feeling a little bit more heavyweight, or soft and being a little more lightweight. Those are two really good options to consider. So third great option when someone is looking for a high quality shirt is a 100% polyester shirt. So the thing that's great about these is a lot of them are built in with SPF protection. They come in short sleeve, long sleeves, V-neck, everything that you could find in a cotton or 50-50 shirt option. A lot of them have nice cooling properties, dry fast. It's great for activewear if you're an athlete or if you are working out outside or even just working outside. It's a great shirt to have on. They can protect you from the elements. And it comes in a variety of different colors and a variety of different brands, ranging from just 100% polyester, bamboo polyester, recycled plastic bottle polyester. There's really lots of different things that they do with this type of shirt. But for the most part, it's made up of a synthetic material that's spun, that has, some of the shirts have anti-snag proof, and just is a great all-around active shirt. So the one that we have here is the Team 365. This is a TT11YL, I believe. This is a youth long sleeve shirt. So these are also built with side seams. So you have a nice slimmer construction, and it is just an overall great shirt to have in your closet. So to recap, when thinking about what is a high quality shirt for you, I would really lean back on you and ask the question, what is something that you like? How do you like it to feel? What kind of fabric do you like? And that can kind of help us narrow down what is gonna be the best fit for you. So really appreciate you guys checking out this video. This is James with Morningstar Screen Printing, and we'll talk to you soon.